Alright, so here we are now, a couple of days later. We've got rid of the spotties out of there, and we've gone through and ripped out a shitload of wiring that was for like a whole bunch of aftermarket stuff. I still got a little bit to go here, like this one here, and there's a whole heap of fucking wires here that I've got to work out where the hell these go. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I will trace them. What else is going on? Yeah, that's right, because where are we? Right, that can be taken off as well. But we have got a hell of a lot out, and just to prove it, there you go. That's a little bit of the wiring that's come out of it, that's been put in over the years. Stereos, fucking spotlights, friggin' immobilizer, fucking all this kind of bullshit. So that's all out, and we've ripped out the bottom of the dash so we can get to all this crap, and we've got a shitload of that out as well. There's still a couple of little bits left. Now I'm thinking that I want to probably, that's the back of the fuse box, I'm thinking I want to replace that, the whole fuse box, and I'm probably going to put in a custom cluster, I do believe. Might as well. The biggest thing I'm actually worried about at the moment is, well, besides that clusterfuck right there, the biggest thing I'm really worried about is the vents, the demisters and stuff, because yeah, well, they're a manual setup. Okay, so these are the demisters and controls and that, and manual. So I'm not going to be able to get this through Rego unless I have demisters and shit. Will you fucking focus? But even just hooking this back up again can be a righteous pain in the ass, and they never really worked anyway. Like, so that's one bit I'm worried about. The other bit is obviously that fucking giant rat's nest there. It's not literally a rat's nest, it's just a fucking giant clusterfuck of wires. The fuses are old bullet type fuses, so I wouldn't mind pulling all that out, replacing it with new blades, because I'm actually quite worried that all these soldering joints and shit, let's try that again, all these soldering joints and shit are just fucked. So excuse the noise for the fan. Well, pretty fucking fun. I managed to clean up all the boot. Not that you can see jack shit, but there was all stereo and everything in here, and yeah, tons of wiring, so stripped all that out as well. Just left what supposedly is meant to be in here, these and stuff like that. These are all going to have to be changed out anyway. These are going to have to be all changed out and stuff anyway, because I'm going to put different type of tail lights in. Oh mate, we've had some fun over here in the last few days. Alright, I'm going to get back to it. There's probably not much point in you standing around here watching me because it's really slow going. I'm just sort of trying to go through one wire at a time and find out where it is and what it's doing and where it's going. In fact, next I think I'm going to pull out that cluster. Pull out the cluster and have a look, and I can get in there a little bit better because, as I said, I want to put in a custom cluster anyway. So, okay. See you in a while.
Techno.